Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a brick machine. First, ensure your workspace is clear and level. Assemble the machine following the manufacturer's instructions, connecting all parts securely. Double-check all electrical connections for safety. A thorough initial setup prevents issues and ensures smooth operation. Always prioritize safety by wearing appropriate gear and understanding the machine's functions before starting. This preparation is crucial for efficient brick production. Next, prepare your brick mix with precision. A common ratio is 1 part cement, 3 parts sand, and a suitable amount of water. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a consistent, workable paste. The mixture should be neither too wet nor too dry. It needs to hold its form when pressed. This careful preparation ensures strong, durable bricks that meet quality standards. Now, let's operate the machine. Carefully load your prepared mix into the hopper, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Activate the compaction mechanism, applying consistent pressure for about 5 to 10 seconds to form dense bricks. Once formed, gently release the bricks onto a designated curing area. Maintain a steady rhythm to maximize your production efficiency and ensure uniform brick quality. Finally, proper curing is essential for brick strength. Keep newly formed bricks in a shaded, moist environment for at least 7 days, misting them regularly. Protect them from direct sun and strong winds to prevent rapid drying and cracking. After initial curing, stack them carefully for storage. Allow the bricks to fully harden for a minimum of 28 days before use, ensuring maximum durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.